Hello guys, you are watching EasyVerilog. Here in this video I am going to tell you how to write a basic Verilog code with TestBench. Before that we are going to make a design file. So the file name will be design.v. Now here we will commenting the what we are going to do. So for here we will write Verilog code for AND gate in behavioral style. After that we will write module and module name. Here we will use module name as and_1, and inside we will write input and output. So xy we are considering input and output as res type z. Full stop. After that, if you are not writing anything with input x and input y, it means x and y variables are y type or net type. Now always at the rate, here we are putting the star. It means if any one of the input will change, the corresponding lines, the below lines, it will be start executing. So for AND gate we'll write output. Here output is z, so z equals to x and y, full semicolon, and module. We finished the design part. Now we'll move to the TestBench part. Here first what we'll do, we will include the design file in the TestBench with the help of tick include double quotes design.v. It will include in the TestBench. So again module name tv. Now whatever we have input in the design, it will consider as a reg in the TestBench, and output as wire. So for x and y in design was wire, here it will become reg and output will become wire. After that initial begin. Before that we have to map the module into the TestBench. So our module name was and underscore 1 in the design, and we'll give the one instantiation name as tut, and in the sensitivity list dot star means it will be port connection by implicit. Whatever we have written, it will be mapped design signal to the test pen signals, but order should be same. After that, initial begin here x and y as arrays, so we need to define as x equals to 1 tick b0 as well as y is equal to 1 tick b0, because those are array type variables, so it should be bring in non-state. By non-state we can do operation, otherwise it will give the x values after simulation. Now we have to randomize the x and y value. Here I'll consider 5 times randomize, and I will print the x and y values after 1 time unit delay. So for displaying $display in braces double quotes the value of x equals to ampersand d is for integer type I want to print, or we can say decimal type. Backslash t, it will give tab space between the x and y. Now y equals to ampersand d, and after that backspace t, z equals to ampersand t, double quotes close, comma x comma y comma z, semicolon, and for repeat, and for initial, and module for TB. Now we done TestBench. Now we have to make the do file. In do file we'll write all the commands together. By this do file we can run with the single command. Let's see what it will be in the do file. So very first command will be Verilog. After that Verilog tb.p, TestBench file name. After that vsim tb TestBench name, run -all. This is our scripting. Now we'll open the ModelSim. Before that we have to copy the address. So opened. Now we'll write cd in curly braces, we'll give the address of the file. Now do run.do. With the help of this command, it will all elaborate, simulate, and it will give the answer or simulation. Here we can notice all the input combinations of xy except 0 0. Here 1 1 has 1 1 1 1 1 0 0, only 0 0 is missing. Now can do in the test bench, instead of 5 times repeat, we'll do 15 times repeat, and again we'll simulate. Now here we can observe the 0 0 input combination will get the 0 as result. Now from here our design and test bench verifies correctly